Pro Cleaning Services, founded more than 10 years ago, Pro Cleaning Services Company has built up a level of expertise to deliver the services and result for all your cleaning requirements. Our business began to fill a void of specialized lines of cleaning services in the NY region for industrial cleaning. We are a reliable company that treats every client like family. We'll always put customers first and go the extra mile. Our qualified NYC chimney sweeper experts perform the most state-of-the-art chimney practices to accomplish chimney cleaning for oil and gas fireplace flues, warm water heating unit flues, wood-burning range flues, and fired boiler flues. We utilize the current sophisticated chimney devices whenever we go to your property or home. Our equipment allows us to perform a full thorough diagnosis of your chimney. When you employ us for chimney cleaning in NYC, you can feel confident we will take care of all bases of your chimney cleaning up requirements. Our chimney repair work specialists are certified to smoke problems, animal elimination, carbon monoxide gas. Offering a complete fireplace and chimney restoration service in NYC is our priority. For more information, please visit our website, www.procleaningservices.us, or contact us through phone, 917-754-6382. You can visit our office, 355 West 53rd Street, New York, New York, 10019. Pro Cleaning Services.